Sunlight paints the living room as Mirha and Hussein gleefully race their toy car across the floor. A sudden mishap. The toy car crashes against the table leg, shattering into pieces. Hussein's eyes widen with fear as he stares at the broken pieces. His laughter silenced. Mira gently reassures him, her voice soft. "It's okay, Hussein. Accidents happen." In the heart of the kitchen, Mirha gently navigates Hussein into the room, his small hand clasped tightly in hers. Ami stands at the counter, a beacon of warmth, her hands a flurry of motion as she orchestrates the midday meal. As Ami turns, her face softens into a tender smile at the sight of Mira and Hussein. Mirha kneels, descending to Hussein's level, her gaze a pool of reassurance and love. "Tell Mama the truth," Mira encourages softly. "She won't be angry if we're honest." With hesitant bravery, Hussein confesses, "Mama, I broke the toy car." Baba enters the living room, a mysterious gift clutched in his hands, setting the stage for a magical revelation. Mira and Hussein, a whirlwind of pure joy, burst forward, their eyes sparkling with untamed anticipation. Ami, seated serenely on the sofa, radiates maternal warmth, her gentle smile hinting at the sweet surprise to come. Baba's voice fills the room with anticipation as he reveals, "I heard about what happened today." His words carry a promise. "Because you both were so honest about the broken toy, I have a surprise."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.